calculate the molecular formula of the compound. Okay, so let me help you that what is carbonate ion, why it is going to have, and how and what are the tricks to learn this table. So let me help you. Okay, so here we're going to have, for example, some of the valencies you have to memorize. Okay, some of the valencies you have to memorize. This is nothing that you have to memorize this one. There is no other chance. Okay, you have to memorize this one. Zed, are you there in the class? Zed? Yes, Zed is here. Zed,
Yes.
turn on your camera. Okay, so let me help you. So here is, for example, if you are going to write the formula of calcium carbonate, okay, calcium carbonate. So some of the formulas you can easily memorize because calcium carbonate is very popular and so many times it will be repeating. Like very popular formula is hydrochloric acid, okay, sulfuric acid is H2SO4. So these are the very common formulas that you will going to learn each and every time. This will be very popular among the questions, okay. Like this is the formula hydrochloric acid HCl, HNO3 nitric acid, okay. So these are the very common compounds. So this compound will help you to learn the valencies of someone, okay. For example, if you know the valency of H, hydrogen is +1, okay. Then if it is written with Cl, so it means Cl is also going to have -1 because this +1 and -1 is going to cancel out each other. That's why the formula is HCl. Okay, got it? And why? If it is written that this is H2SO4, H2SO4 is sulfuric acid, okay. So SO4 is sulfate ion. SO4 is sulfate ion and H is hydrogen. So it must have one valency. You know, hydrogen has one valency. So this H2SO4 means 2 has been coming from this SO4 ion. This 2 is coming from SO4 ions. Understood?
Yeah.
Understood? So this is going to have SO4 -2. Got it? Means SO4, this 2. If I'm right, if I memorize the formula of H2SO4, then I can remember, yes, H2SO4 means 2 has come from SO4. So means SO4 is going to have -2 valency. Got it?
Yes. So
Okay.
no.
No, you didn't get it. So let me explain you. For example, if you know the formula of H2SO4, if you are able to memorize the formula of H2SO4, H2SO4. So how does the formula of H2SO4 means hydrogen sulfate is being formed? Hydrogen is going to carry valency 1 and SO4 is going to carry valency as 2. Got it? So when you multiply these two, when you cross multiply these two, you will get H2SO4. H2SO4 you are going to get it. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
So this is H2SO4, sulfuric acid. So you can memorize that this 2 has come from this sulfate ion. So you need not to memorize the SO4, that SO4 is going to have -2 valency. Sulfate ion is going to have -2 valency. You can just memorize H2SO4 means 2 has come from H2SO4 means 2 has come from SO4 ion. Okay. If you are able to memorize the formula of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. So calcium is valency is most popular and has been so many times repeated that calcium is going to have valency 2. So you will be familiar of this one. And carbonate is also going to have -2. So because of this, they are being cancelling out each other. So because calcium has +2, so the carbonate is also going to have -2. Because they will only cancel out each other, then they will form CaCO3 formula. Got it? So this is the way how you can memorize. Okay, those elements that are going to have IDE at the end, IDE like sulfide, like nitride, like oxide, okay, like bromide. So they are only the single element. They are only the single element. They are
Okay.
only the single element. They are not the double element. Okay, you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this one is, for example, sulfide. So sulfide is S-2. Nitride is N-3. Bromide is Br-1. So they are the single elements. Like sulfate, there is ATE, sulfate. So this is going to have, this is the polyatomic ion. This is more than sulfur and SO4, means oxygen and sulfur are there. And sulfite, whatever we are going to have the formula of 8, the ITE form is going to have one oxygen less. One oxygen less. For example, if you have the formula of sulfate is SO4, SO4, the sulfite is going to have SO3, but the valency is same. Okay. And similarly, if we are going to have phosphate, the phosphate is going to have PO4 valence, PO4, and it has valency 3. PO4 is going to have valency 3. Whatever is written here, it is considered to be as valency. And if I'm going to talk phosphite, so what should be the formula of phosphite?
PO2, PO minus 2.
It is going to have, the valency is same. Valency does not change when phosphite to phosphate you comes.
Oh, then PO3. Sorry,
PO3,
PO3.
PO3. Okay, one oxygen will be less. Got it? Got it? Nitrate. If we are going to have nitrate, ATE, nitrate as NO3 minus 1. So what is the formula of nitrite? Nitrite is going to have NO2 minus 1. Got it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, you, Nabila?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alvina, Arya, and
Yes,
you,
sir.
Halima.
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
So this is the way how you have to memorize. This is no means you cannot escape this task. There is no shortcut. That is there any trick that I can tell you that you can skip that one? No. You have to memorize. Some of the formulas you can memorize by easily by using means we can simply say that by practicing a lot you will be able to learn.
Is it from periodic table? Like we have to learn periodic table?
No, it is not from the periodic table. Periodic table is not means you're not going to learn this periodic table. Okay. So let me help you with some tricks. Okay. That, like for example, element with valency 1, element with valency positive 1 is ha, hai, li, na, kare, rub is not coming in your syllabus. Rab se faryad. Okay. So hai, li, na, kare, rab se faryad, but rub is not coming. Okay here. So we can see here that these all are going to have +1 valency. These all are going to have +1 valency. You understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if I'm going to here, for example, those element that is going to have +2 valency is beta, mange, car, scooter. Scooter is not coming in your syllabus. Bap razi. Bap razi. Okay. Strontium, you can write it. Strontium. Beta, mange, car, scooter. Bab, Razi. Okay, so they are all going to have B is beryllium, Mg is magnesium, Ca is calcium, strontium, barium. So this is barium. Okay, this radium is not coming in your syllabus. It is not in your syllabus. This is strontium. I'm also relating. So this is beta mange car bab. Okay, so this beta is second chance. You can say that second generation after the father. So this is going to have the 2 valency 2. Okay, are you getting this one? The third one is there any students who don't know Hindi or are having any difficulties in understanding the Hindi?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Everyone, Arya, you understood Hindi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You, Nabila, do you understand Hindi?
No, sir.
You don't understand Hindi?
No, no, sir.
Oh, that's why this is what I'm saying here, beta mange. You don't understand this one, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm just writing here, this is beryllium. Okay. This is beryllium. Beryllium. Okay. This beryllium is going to have valency 2. Okay. Magnesium. This is magnesium. Magnesium is going to have valency 3. And this is calcium. Calcium is going to have valency 2. So all of them are going to have valency 2. Okay. So I'm writing here 3. And barium, they are all going to have valency 2. H is hydrogen, lithium. This is lithium. Lithium. This is sodium. And this is potassium. Potassium. They all are going to have valency. They are going to have valency 1. Okay. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next one is uh, Ka. Next is aluminium is going to have aluminium. We can say that boron and aluminium are going to have valency 3. Okay. Then Ka, C, Ka C means carbon and silicon are going to have +4 valency. Okay. Then
Okay.
we have, after the oxygen, we have nitrogen. Okay. N, P, they are going to have +3, sorry, -3. -3, -3. Okay. And then we have O, C. This is -2, -2. And then fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. They are going to have -1. Okay. So these are the elements that we can say that here, that these are going to have, means these are very popular, that you will learn, that you will be familiar with this one. Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
So
Yeah.
is B is boron, right?
These are,
B is boron, right?
yeah, B is boron and Be is beryllium and Ba is barium.
Okay, sir.
And they are the noble gases at the end, that is helium, neon, argon, krypton. They are going to have 0 valency. They don't have valency. They don't have. They are the noble gases. Okay. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is I?
So now you understood this one? Arya,
So
Yes.
what is I?
what is I? I is iodine.
Okay.
Iodine. Okay, so these are already been written there in the table. Okay, so I'm just writing, I'm just helping you that which are going to have +1, +2. There are other elements also that has going to have +2, like for example, zinc +2, iron +3, Fe +3. Okay, copper is also going to have two types of valency, Cu +1 and Cu +2. When copper is written like this, +1, we need to write the copper as +1. Okay, when it is written like copper 2 like this, we have to use copper as 2 positive. Okay, got it, Alvina?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similar is for uh iron. We have iron has +2 and +3, +2 and +3. So when iron is written like this, F2 positive and F3 positive. Okay, so iron can be written as Fe 3 in the bracket, so we have to use 3 as positive. So there can be so many elements that, so these are the just, I'm just writing only the single elements, but there are some polyatomic ions also. Okay, these are very important. So polyatomic ions you have to memorize. Got it? Like
Sir,
nitrate
what
ion.
is Al positive 3?
Al positive has aluminium, Al positive 3. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the important formulas that we have to. Other than this, we have to focus on some other groups also. Okay, these are also written here in your table. Do everyone has written this one, Nabila? Okay, the next one is, this is sodium, potassium, silver. Okay, this is copper. So if copper is written as +1 in the bracket, plus only 1 in Roman, it is going to have +1 valency. Okay, if copper is written like this, and it is going to have 2. Got it? Got it? So it will be mentioned in the examination that you have to use which one. And these are some polyatomic ions. Okay, like ammonium ion. Here the single atoms only. And this is ammonium. Ammonium ion is going to have NH4 positive one. Means as a whole is NH4 positive one. Got it? Here is hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion is -1. Okay. Nitrate NO3 is -1. Hydrogen carbonate is -1. Okay. Carbonate ion. So these are the very important question that you're going to get in examinations. And you have to write the formulas of these compounds. Okay. By using these valency chart. Okay. Got it?
Sir, can I ask you a question?
You didn't get what I'm saying? What you're saying, Rima?
Sir, I'm saying that like why is like in every like for some there is like +3, -2, and why is it 4?
Yeah, I can help you that why it is -1 sometimes, where is sometime -1, sometimes. Okay, let me help you. For example, nitrogen is going to have, let me help you. Let, for example, hydroxide is -2. Sorry, O is -2 and H is +1. So in total, if O and H combine together, so what you will get? -2 plus 1, what you will get? -1. So in combination, they are going to have -1.
Yeah,
Like carbon is +4 and oxygen, carbonate is CO3. So one oxygen is atom is going to have -2, another oxygen atom, there are 3 oxygen atoms now. So they are all going to have
yeah,
-2, -2. Their total will be -6 charge. So 3 oxygen atoms are going to have -6 charge now. So when they combine
yeah.
together, they will form CO3 plus 4 -6, you will get -2 as a combination. Okay.
Okay.
So this is way how we get some as -1, some as -2. Okay. And
Oh,
moreover, if you'd ask me that why chlorine is going to have -1 and sodium is going to have +1, then I can answer you. That chlorine is going to have, that you will learn in the structure of atom chapter. Okay. So I'm not going to explain you this one here because you don't know the electronic configuration right now. So you will get more confused. So let it be. When you will learn this one, that why chlorine is going to have -1 and sodium is going to have +1 in the next chapter, structure of atom, when you will going to study the electronic configuration. Okay. So let it be. Okay.
okay, sir.
Let's move further. Next we are going to have here uh, is there some compounds whose molecular formula you need to memorize. Okay. uh, Actually their common name are more famous than their chemical name. For example, baking soda. So baking soda is actually sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay. So what should be the formula of sodium hydrogen carbonate? Let me help you. This is sodium is Na, which is going to have +1 valency, and hydrogen carbonate is CO3, which is going to have -1 valency. We don't write plus and minus here when we are just making the formula. You can check here in the table also that hydrogen carbonate is HCO3, and this is going to have -1, means valency is -1. Okay. If -1 or not written, only minus sign is indicated here. So this is going to have -1. This is also going to have -1. This is also going to have -1. So those elements that are going to have only minus sign, they are going to have -1 valencies, like here. And those elements are going to have only plus sign, not 2, 3 written here. So this is going to have +1 valency. They are going to have +1. Okay. Have you understood, Rima? So sodium hydrogen
Yeah.
carbonate is actually, when no need to cancel out, cross multiply, because this is 1. So in combination, you will write this formula NaCO3 like this way. Got it? NaH.
Sir,
Yes. Speak.
like why we have to do cross multiplication?
Actually, these charges need to be balanced. Now, for example, if you are going to make the magnesium chloride, okay, and magnesium is going to have +2 charge and chlorine is going to have -1 charge. So, and whole compound is electrically neutral. So for example, if you need to make the formula of magnesium and chlorine and chloride ion, you need to keep in mind that in the negatively charged ion, if I'm talking about chlorine, this is chlorine atom, Cl is chlorine, but when it is going to have -1 charge, it becomes chloride.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
It is sulfur, but when it is going to have -2 charge, it becomes sulfide. So coming to the point that Rima was asking, that if it is minus, magnesium is going to have +2 valencies, chlorine is going to have -1. So in order to make the compound for this one, we need one magnesium atom and 2 chlorine atom. Because 2 chlorine atom, -1, they will going to have togetherly -2 charge. So this -2 and +2 will balance each other. Okay. So if magnesium is going to have +2, then how many atoms of -1 we have? So -1 atoms we will have. Like for example, OH is also going to have -1. So OH, we need 2 such ions in order to counterbalance this +2 charge. Okay.
Okay.
Everybody, Arya, you understood? Zed, you understood? Nabila? Alvina?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if I'm going to, for example, if I'm going to write the formula of magnesium iodide, so magnesium is going to have +2 and iodine is also going to have means it is going to have -1. So 2 -1 such atoms will be required. So we'll have MgI2. So so it is in a trick that how can we write the formula. For example, if I'm going to write magnesium hydroxide, so it is 2 and OH is going to have -1. So you cross multiply these two, you will get MgOH whole twice. This is just a simple. Otherwise, you can there this is +2. So how many atoms of -1 will be required in order to take a oppose or in order to counterbalance this +2 charge? So it is -1. So 2 such atoms will be required. So this is magnesium hydroxide. You understood?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move further, dear student. Let's move further. So there
Okay.
are some elements that will going to have the common name like baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Have you noted this one? Baking soda.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Note it fast. They will not be other name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So you can easily write sodium hydrogen carbonate, but the next one is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is the formula is hydrogen sulfate. Hydrogen
Sir.
sulfate and its formula is H2SO4. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is HCl. Hydrochloric acid. It is the common name and its chemical name is, and this is formula. So its chemical name is HCl. So it is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. Okay. So the next one is acetic acid. Acetic acid. So it is acetic acid is its common name is chemical name is ethanoic acid. And its formula is CH3COOH. Okay, done. Nitric acid. Nitric acid is hydrogen nitrate. And its formula is HNO3.
Ma'am, sir, in ethanoic acid,
Yes.
the chemical formula
Yes.
CH3 and C double O.
Yes, double OH.
Okay.
COOH. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here you need to keep in mind that this acid, this CH3, like we have sulfate ion is SO4. Okay. Here is hydrogen carbonate ion. Okay, this is chloride ion. In this one, you have to mention and you have to write here one thing that acetate ion. Acetate ion is actually COO, CH3COO minus. Acetate ion, note it down, it is CH3COO minus 1. This is the whole, like SO4 is the one. This is as a whole, CH3COO. So this is acetate, okay? So if I ask you to write the formula of sodium acetate, so you can write it. Sodium is going to carry valency 1 and acetate it's COO minus 1. So formula is NaCH3COO. Got it? Nabila, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
And Rima, where have you gone? Your camera is turned off.
Yes, I got it. So I will. My phone is in charge.
You are?
My phone is in charge.
Your phone is in charge. Okay. So done. You have to note this all in the homework, means at the home that you are going to have your NCRT book, and there you need to note it down. Okay. So this is the nitric acid, uh, phosphoric phosphoric acid, phosphoric acid. Like we have sulfuric, the phosphoric acid is H3PO4. Okay. There is no common name for this. You can write hydrogen phosphate. So let's
There
start
is no common name or no chemical name.
Yeah, it is a common name, phosphoric acid, but chemical name is actually hydrogen phosphate. You can say hydrogen and phosphate.
Okay.
So let's have some important question regarding to this topic.
So what did you say as the chemical name for phosphoric acid?
Hydrogen phosphate.
Okay, thanks.
So here are the important questions from the NCERT example. Write the formula of the following compound and calculate their molecular mass for each of them. So first of all, let me help you that what is caustic potash? I'm just going to write the formula for this one. Caustic potash is actually is NaOH. No, KOH. Caustic soda is NaOH. Note it down. G here. Caustic soda. If it is caustic soda, then it is NaOH. And if it is caustic potash, then it is KOH. Baking powder. Baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Limestone is calcium carbonate. Caustic soda. It is already written. I have no need to write G. Caustic soda is NaOH. Ethanol is C2H5OH. And common salt is NaCl. Okay. So calculate the molecular formula of this one, and this one. Do it fast. Molecular mass, sorry, molecular mass. Zed, what is the molecular mass of potassium? Molecular mass of potassium. Voice is not coming. Have you chosen your mic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now it is coming. Yes, what is the mass of potassium?
Potassium 39.
30?
9.
39. Yes, it is correct. So if any students are having trouble that she or he don't know the name molecular mass of this one, so I can help you. But calculate the molecular mass of the following three element that I have taken.
Sir, what's written in the E, like the C2H after that?
In which C2H5OH. Ethanol is C2H5OH.
So for baking soda, do we take oxygen like 3 times or do we only take it once?
You have to take the 3 times.
Okay.
You have to do this one like the previous one. We have learned this one. Na is one atom is of Na, one atom is of hydrogen, and one atom is of carbon, and three. We have these kinds of atoms. So 1 into 23 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 12, and then 3 oxygen atom, 3 into 16. Add all these. We'll get the answer.
Sir, the answer is 624.
Okay. 6 to 4. 6 to 4 for what? Six to 4 what?
Sorry,
Alvina?
sir.
You were committing mistakes in this in the previous class. So please, have you calculated the molecular mass of caustic potash? Alvina, your mic is muted. You are muted. Unmute yourself first. Your mic is muted. Please unmute it. You are not able to unmute yourself.
Yes, I got it. Sir, I got 56U.
For what?
Caustic potash.
KOH, caustic
Caustic-
potash is
Yes, 56U.
56.
Okay.
56, na? Other
Um,
students? Yes, you Arya. What you get?
56.
You said
56.
Sir, I got 48.
48. Why? So, potassium is going to have 39. One oxygen atom is going to have 16, and one hydrogen atom is going to have 1. You add all this, you will get 30 here, 9 and 1, 10, and 10 and 6, 16, 1 carry. Then 4, 1 here, 4, and 5, 56. Calculate the molecular mass of ethanol and have you baking soda. Have you calculated the molecular mass?
Yes. 84.
84 for baking soda.
Yes.
Yes, you said.
Sir, I got 84.
You get 84. You Alvina? Sorry, you Ima?
Same answer, sir. 84 I got.
You said
Same answer, sir.
same answer.
Sir, can you do the baking powder? Like, can you write it down? I got it wrong.
Okay, let it be. This is one sodium atom present here, only one sodium atom, one hydrogen atoms, one carbon atom, and 3 oxygen atoms. Okay. So the molecular mass of sodium is 1 into 3, 1 into 23, because one hydrogen atoms of 1, then 1 into 12 for carbon atoms, and 3 into 16 for oxygen atoms. So you'll get
Sir, I
20.
found out. Sorry.
Then 1, then 12, then 16 3 is 48. Add all these, you will get the answer. 23 plus 1, sorry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 and 2, 6, 6 and 8, 14, 1 carry. Okay. Then 3,
Okay, sir.
then 3 and 1, 4, 4, 4, 8, 84. You understood? Nabila, now you got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
I finished all.
What are you saying?
I got all.
You got ethanol also.
Yes.
What's the answer?
For ethanol, I got 46.
You, Alvina,
I didn't do it, sir.
do it fast.
So I also got 46 for ethanol.
You also, in you, Rima, would you get the answer?
Sir, I didn't do it.
Do it fast. So done, dear students. You, Alvina, got the answer. And Rima, ethanol.
Yes, sir, done.
What's the answer?
For lime soda, I got 100.
Lime soda. Limestone is calcium carbonate. We have to do this one. I've just ticked the third one. Ethanol you have to do. Okay, let me help you. Ethanol is carbon. The two carbon. How many kinds of atoms are present in ethanol? C, 2H5OH. So this is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. How many carbon atoms are there? 2. How many oxygen atoms are there? 6. And how
6.
many oxygen atoms are there? 1. So multiply there with the molecular mass. What is the molecular mass of
12.
this? 12 plus hydrogen is
1.
going to 1 and oxygen is going to
16.
we added all this. We had 24 plus 6 plus 16. This is 30. 30 and 16 you will get 46. 46. Got it? Rima, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
You understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
Very good. Next moving the next part is okay. With the help of this table, okay, wait a minute. Okay, here's the question in front of your screen. with the help of this table that is been given to you on the table. So check whether which of the following formula is correct and which one is going to have error. Recorrect it, means you need to do the correction also. For example, let me explain you. If I write the formula of aluminium sulfate as LaLSO4, so this is incorrect. Why? Because aluminium is going to have valency 3 and SO4 ion is going to have valency 2. So this will cross multiply each other and it will gives you Al2, and this is a polyatomic ion. So you have to write this one in bracket SO4 whole thrice. Got it? So the correct formula
Yes,
is,
sir.
so out of these three, okay, out of this four, one is only correct, other are incorrect. So find out the incorrect one and write their correct formula.
Sir, should I find the incorrect or correct?
You have to find the incorrect as well as correct one also. There is
Okay.
only one correct option in this one, and you have to, there the three are incorrect, and you need to tell with the incorrect one and their correct formula also.
Okay.
First one is correct.
First one is
Correct.
correct.
No, it's not.
No, it is not. Here we are.
So whereas, never mind.
Do this one. Do one. I will be coming back in 1 minute. Let me drink some water. Done this one. Is that what is the correct formula for calcium chloride? Correct formula for calcium chloride. You can
Sir,
take
it's CA1
yes.
and so it's CA1 and CL3.
When we are going to have one, we don't write one here, okay, Rima? That you have to, you are just writing here, calcium is going to have 2 and chloride is going to have 1. So if it is 1, don't multiply it, okay? 1 is not going to multiply. You write like this way, CaCl2. It is understandable that if it is nothing written here, so it is meant 1. Okay, so the formula is CaCl2. Got it?
Yeah,
Yes.
got it.
Bismuth is not written here, so I'm going to write here that bismuth is positive. Bismuth is positive 3. Right here, positive 3. Positive 3. Bi is bismuth.
Done, so
Done?
No, I don't understand how to do it.
You, Alvina, don't understood.
No, Nabila.
Yeah, Nabila, let me help you. That this is Na2S, NaSO4 written here, na?
Yes, sir.
So what is the valency of Na? Na is 1. And sulfate SO4 is going to have valency 2. It is sulfate ion. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So in this one, when you write it like this way, Na2SO4. Na is going to have 1 and SO4 is going to have valency 2. Means in the table it is written as plus and SO4 is written as -2 here. So it is +1, -2. So cross multiply, you will get Na2SO4. Got it?
1 minute.
But in the question it is written as NaSO4. So it is incorrect.
Yeah.
When we have 1, we don't multiply it, okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understood this one? Alvina, you understood?
Sir, yes, but then I got all of them wrong. All of them are incorrect.
Okay. There is incorrect where you were saying that bismuth is going to have +3 and PO4 is going to have PO4 is going to have -3. So when they both are same, they will cancel out each other and therefore Bi PO4. And this is correct. What do you write the formula? Ba3PO4 whole thrice.
I wrote BI3 and PO8.
PO4,
PO8.
PO8. H.
Yes.
Why H? PO4, it is 4.
Okay.
So if you write it like this, Bi is 3 and PO4 is also 3. So if you can cross multiply this one, your formula should be Bi3 PO4 whole thrice. But when we have same, we cancel out each other. The formula. Next one, this one, why it is incorrect?
It should be Na2. Oh, sorry, no. It should be Na2SO4.
Na2?
SO4.
No, it is NaS only. Sulfide, sodium sulfide.
Oh, you're asking for the last one. Yeah, it should be Na2S.
Na2S, yes. Na is going to have valency 1 and S sulfur is going to have valency 2. So when you cross multiply these two, you will get Na2S. Got it? You
But
understood?
next is 2, right?
Yes, Na is +1.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Na is +1 and sulfide is here, S-2.
Yeah, that,
So you understood?
yes, I understood.
You, Nabila, understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So there are some questions that you will be going to get in your exam, in your homework. Okay, and these I'm going to help you. That what are these questions? You are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Zed, are you having any doubt?
No, sir.
So these are the compound that you're going to get in your homework, that these are going to have, means you need to write